is completely different. So in today's video, I show you how I straighten my hair. And yeah, like what products I use, the whole process. So today was my first time straightening my hair in like 2 years. The last time I straightened my hair was for my grade 12 prom. So yeah, I haven't straightened my hair in a very long time, but I wanted to make this video and show you guys how I straighten my hair. I probably won't be straightening my hair for a really long time after this, just because I don't like straightening my hair honestly that much. But yeah, I mean, if someone else were to do it for me, like I wouldn't like mind, I guess. But I just like personally don't like the whole process of straightening my own hair. It's just not fun. So yeah, so I'll just show you how long it is from the back. My hair is super long. Yeah, it's like, yeah, it's really long. But so yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and we're just gonna move into the first step of me blow drying my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the first step into straightening my hair, which is blow drying it. So I just let my hair air dry after I washed it. So I just washed my hair using a new shampoo conditioner. Actually, it's the Rose Water shampoo and conditioner by Pantene. Yeah, I wanted to try this out because of like the fact that it's rose water, of course. I wanted to try it out because it has no parabens, dyes, mineral oil, silicones, or sulfates. Yeah, and the fact that it's like rose water. Yeah. Anyways, so I just washed my hair and I let it dry a bit, so it is like pretty dry. And I feel like my hair dries quicker when there isn't any product in it anyways. But yeah, so I just let my hair dry and there's like no product in it or anything. And yeah, but anyways, the first step into straightening my hair is blow drying it, and this is actually my least favorite step out of the whole process, just because it takes the longest. It's just really hard to do. And you already have, like, my hair isn't blow dried yet, and look how like big it is, and it's just all my least favorite part. But yeah, so I'm gonna section my hair. I'm not exactly sure how I want to section it yet, but I feel like maybe I'll do this half section. Maybe I'll do it into 6 sections. I'm gonna start with just doing this section. So yeah, my hair just doesn't have any product in it. I'm not gonna put any product in it until I start straightening it. So I'm just gonna brush it out. It's so hard to brush out with any product in it too. My goodness. So the blow dryer I'm gonna be using is like my mom's blow dryer, because I don't have a blow dryer since I never use a blow dryer or like straighten my hair or anything, but it's just this one. It's by Conair. It's the Testarossa blow dryer, yeah. And then the brush I'm gonna be using is like this brush. I've never used this brush before. I usually use brushes like this to like blow dry my hair, but I'm gonna try this. This one's like a similar shape, but it has different bristles on it, and it's more of like ventilated, so it's probably like a wet brush almost. Anyways, I'm gonna try this one out right now. Okay, so I finished blow drying just this first section, and it actually wasn't that bad. It was a lot easier to blow dry my hair compared to when I was using these kind of brushes. So I don't know, definitely recommend using these brushes, because I feel like when I was blow drying my hair, it's easier to brush through with these brushes, whereas those brushes that I used to use would always get stuck, which made it really like frustrating and like annoying. And I also switched to this wet brush, my mom's, because I realized the one I was using was the wet brush that I used when I was like brushing my hair when it was wet. So I'm gonna like, it defeats the purpose if I'm trying to like straighten my hair and whatnot. But yeah, so I finished doing this first section. And so the way I blow dried it was to get it as straight as possible using the blow dryer. So when I go in to straighten it, it's like easier. But yeah, so this is just what it looks like. And like my hair is so long, it literally cannot fit in the frame. Maybe if I stand back. Yeah, but anyways, yeah, my hair's like down to here, and I haven't straightened it yet. So it's gonna be exciting. so now that I finished doing this first section, I'm going to I'm just gonna like separate it using a little scrunchie for now, just because I don't want it to get mixed with the other sections. And then I'm going to move on to the next section. And I'm just gonna split this into two. So I'm just gonna brush out this section. And like brushing it out is the hardest part, I guess, of doing it. It's because like when it has no product in it, you like try to brush it out, it's not that easy. Now that this section is brushed out, I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry this section and do the next section and finish this half, and I will be back after I finish doing that. Okay guys, so I just finished blow drying this half of my hair, and I tried to get it as straight as possible using the blow dryer, just so when I go in with the straightener it'd be a lot easier. So now I'm just gonna separate this side and then do the side, and I'll be back. Okay, so I finished blow drying my hair. Blow drying my hair today wasn't as bad as it usually is, but it was still kind of annoying, but whatever, I'm happy it's done. So now I am going to move on to straightening my hair. Yeah, so as I said before, but like I just got my hair as straight as possible with the blow dryer, just so when I go in with the flat iron, it's a lot easier for me to do it. And yeah, so I'll show you how long it is from the back. So now I'm just gonna move on to actually straightening my hair. Okay, so now that it's time to straighten my hair, I'm gonna section it off. So what I do is I start with like a small piece from the back, and I'm just gonna continue to do small sections throughout my whole head. Okay, so what I like to use to straighten my hair is just a regular flat iron. This one's my mom's, so yeah. And the key to getting my hair super straight and sleek is this, the Garnier Fructis style flat iron protector straightening mist. And this works really well on my hair, like you'll see how like straight and sleek it gets. I definitely recommend this product to anyone who like has trouble like straightening their hair and getting it super sleek. This works like so well. Like this is absolutely like one of my favorite products in the world, because I'm surprised by like how well like it actually works. And then the last thing I like to use is just like a really like small comb to straighten my hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off with a section about this big. Oh yeah, and the heat I'm using it on is like around 180 degrees Celsius, and like I don't know if that's too hot for my hair. Like this flat iron goes up to 200 degrees Celsius, so I like definitely don't want to put it up that hot. But so what I do is I just take the mist and I just like spray it on each section, and then I make sure to comb out my hair each section before I straighten it. And then what I do is I put the comb in and then I straighten my hair, put the flat iron in, and I drag the comb down with the flat iron, and all the way till I get to the ends. And yeah, so but I'm just gonna go over it like a second time, just cause like make sure I get my roots, just to like make sure it's actually perfectly straight. I'm gonna go in again with the comb. Make sure to go over my roots. Okay. And then yeah, basically what the comb does is it like makes sure there's like no tangles while you're like straightening it, and it kind of like spreads the like hair out too while you're straightening it. So I don't know, it just makes it a lot straighter. yeah, so I did the first like section. It's super straight. Yeah, it's actually super long too. Like, you can't even see it in the frame. Yeah, so the ends of my hair aren't that nice because I haven't like got a haircut or trim since like September, like before I went back to go out for school. But yeah, anyways, I'll just show you how like long this piece is. And it's literally, can't even see it, but it's like past the middle of my butt. So yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna continue with the other sections of my hair. Okay, so I'm basically gonna do the same thing to the next section of my hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna comb it out, then I'm gonna go and spray it, and then we're just gonna go over it. Okay, so I finished the first section of hair. Just what it looks like. You guys can see it. Yeah, so I'm gonna continue the rest of my hair and I'll be back like halfway through just to update you guys.
Getting my body like it's holy. I've been waiting for you for the whole week. I've been praying for you, you're my Sunday kid.
Finished straightening my hair. I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah, so that's basically it for my how I straighten my curly hair. And so I just put my hair into a middle part after I straighten it. And yeah, so as you can see, my hair is super long and I'm not sure what I should do with it. Like, I know I have to get a trim, but like, do you guys think it's too long? So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new, learned how I straighten my hair, because I know a lot of people like ask me about that, like how I straighten my hair. The product I would definitely recommend out of this whole video is this, the Garnier Fructis Style Flat Iron Perfector, because like as you can see, it gets my hair like super straight. So yeah, so make sure you stay tuned for a video on how I grow my hair out super long and healthy. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe for when that video comes out. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.